Hello everyone, today I just want to do a quick unboxing from my recent purchase from Louis Vuitton. This is kind of, it's been a while and let's get started. Actually I got this about 2-3 weeks ago already, but I never really unboxing before. I just want to do a real unboxing here. So let's get started. So it comes with, that's the packaging, and this is the thing. I call it a small leather goods. It's not too small, but I think it's the right size. This is the Toiletry 19. I want to use as a makeup pouch type of stuff. So inside the linen, I think you guys have the pretty enough videos about what's inside. So the inside is the leather. And it's very easy to wipe off type of material, so I think it's perfect for makeups and any solutions or liquid type of thing, because it's very easy to wipe off. And also you can get those bag organizers that you can put inside to protect everything that you need. So I will use this just for my lipsticks, a makeup pouch, compacts, foundations, and all of that, and also maybe hand lotions, and I will put it inside of my bags. Okay, so that's for that. And dimension wise, I want to show you really quick in millimeters. Okay, so Toiletry 19 is definitely, the bottom's supposed to be 19 centimeter, but I just want to show you in real how it is. So in my real ones, so this is so this is about 18 here, a little bit more, a little bit, and then I think it's almost 19. It's supposed to be 19. I think in here it's around like 18.5 type of thing. But it might be because of the it's not specific, but this is basically give you idea how it is in real. Let's try this here, maybe it can give us a better idea. I think it's only around, for me I feel like this is only 18 centimeters, so give you some idea. And for the height, it is about, let me try here. It is about, so 14 here, okay? So the height is about 14 centimeters. And you guys can do the inches conversions. And how long is this from here to here? Let me just show you really quick how long it is here. So this is around 29 centimeters here, if you see it here. So it's around 29 here, okay? And what else? The width, okay, here. The width, it's about, in the bottom, it's about 5. You see, if you can see it here, it's about 5 centimeters. Okay, that's basically how it is. And did we try the height? I think we did, right? It's 115 here. Okay, this is basically how big it is. And I also brought my pochette, mini pochette, and I can give you a comparison. So this is what it looks like when you compare to a mini pochette. You can definitely put the mini pochette inside with no problem at all, to just use as as a pouch when you go outside really quick. You can definitely put your phone inside without problem, and also your mini pochette, and maybe your cup holder inside as a pouch. So it is gonna be a very easy transitions. And I think you can with those golden chain, you can make it crossbody bags. I have seen people doing that. That's gonna be really cute as well. And makeup bags, and just like a push it, just to easy on the go push it, that you can go with your essentials like your lipsticks and card holders, compact card holders, compact wallet, and also your cell phone. It's gonna be easy to go. Like if you just run like simple errands and go to grocery store, it's definitely a good one. So I think I will really enjoy this. I'm thinking about getting the mini one, the 15, and Toiletry 26. I feel like those are gonna be a little bit either too small or too big for me at this point. I think this is the right size for me. That's why I choose this one. It's good enough for your daily essentials, and money wise, I think it's a great money. So this is what I purchased for. I think I purchased for 465 USD, and I know that Louis Vuitton has been increasing the this is the informations. So I know that Louis Vuitton has been increasing the prices for quite a bit this year. So if you like it, definitely go to your local store and give it a try. And I do know that it's kind of hard to get on this size. You probably have to order, ask your sales associate for more information. I think I kind of wait 1 month or 2 months to get this ready for me. So good luck everybody. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am planning to upload my luxury lifestyle videos on a weekly basis. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.